It's nice to see. I think both of them trading, yes, exactly near key technical levels there. Uber continues to be a small position in leaderboard. I think it could become a half position, but we're trying to be mindful of the overall portfolio weightings and exposure. And this is really important here, Ed. That pullback last week was certainly heavy in price, but not in volume compared to those big up weeks in heavy volume. So I like the action here right now, and you still have plenty of time before earnings. Now, Dash, I I'm not sure if they are matching head-to-head business-wise with Uber. I mean, Uber just seems to be more of the pole position, but I might be wrong. I mean, Doordash obviously very, very popular, and it's great to see the stock also really improve. But I just kind of well, I like Dash even more now that I see that the 2023 is expected to be sharply profitable, even though on your Market Smith chart it shows net losses for Q1, Q2, Q3. So if they're really expected to earn $1.66 a share, either that's a different type of estimate that's not gelling with the actual numbers that we post in the quarterlies. I would have to do a little more
It could be
legwork.
different numbers. I know that
Yeah.
there are different. Yeah. So
Mhm.
I know that happens with snow as well. I mean, there's like sometimes the numbers may be gap and then the estimates are not because, yeah. So you got
Yeah.
to figure that. So that would be something to look at. And
Yeah.
it doesn't happen too often, but every once in a while there's differences on that.
Totally. But here again, Dash is a legitimate new leader. Nice support at the 40-week 2 months ago. Nice test of that 10-week last week. You could draw a trend line across the recent highs. Support where you expect it. Relative strength of 95. Probably the 3 months even better. The 3-month relative strength could be like 99 or 98 because you've gone. Yeah, I doubt that relative strength rating of I think is a lot stronger than what it really
It's
is.
probably going to pick up quite a bit too.
Yeah. I mean, 3 months. So you're talking October 1st, and October 1st was around the high 70s. So I kind of doubt that number as well. Yeah, and then another good thing too, Ed, is like you see on that daily chart underneath the market cap of 40 billion, you see shares 398 million. That's probably the outstanding, and of which the 371 million is the float. So you're probably still going to have some offerings of shares, but it likely is not going to really affect the stock as much because you see all those blue bubbles with the minus sign inside them. There's been just very, very consistent, probably programmatic selling by insiders. So, given the big move that it's had, I wouldn't expect the stock to fall hard because of that. It would have to be something about missing expectations.